Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Libya 90 espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was, what was exactly wrong with it? Was turning off the breaker. It was working intermittently. It wasn't really, it was turning on and off and it was just making weird noises. And that was because this was actually, you can actually see it through here. I'm gonna focus the camera. There you go. This thing was just broke out of the machine and it was leaking through here, and there was a lot of water pretty much flying all around. And yeah, we just had to replace the whole thing, replace the whole hose, replace this one, and we were really careful to remove it. This thing was just right there inside the boiler, so we just remove it. We also give the machine a tune-up. This is the old shower screen, and I have a couple of pictures of the condition of the machine as well, so give me a few seconds. And yeah, we were descaling this machine. We replaced the shower screen. We replaced the gasket. Deep cleaned the portafilter. Deep cleaned the group head. Descaled the machine. There was a lot of scale on the machine. We pretty much run through 3 or 4 or 5 times of water just to rinse it out. And yeah, it wasn't looking really good. From the Pasquini one, yes, this is the one. So yes, that was the condition of the machine before. That's the group head gasket, that's the shower screen, and that's the screen that you see right here. And yeah, we pretty much deep clean everything, make sure everything's really nice and clean. So yeah, we back flush the machine, and yeah, everything should be clean and nice and ready to use. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine. We don't have the tray, so it's gonna split out a little bit. So hopefully I pick up the right grind sales of this machine, otherwise it's gonna see good coffee. But as you can see, we're seeing good water flow coming out of it. It might be a little bit too fine for this machine. As you can see, it's very thick and it might be a little bit bitter. Yeah, it might be way too fine for this machine, but it's actually keeping up. It's tracking everything, so let's not force the machine too much. And there you go. Yeah, you can see that big thick layer of crema out there. And now to test the steamer. Look at that, wonderful, looking great. And now for the hot water. There you have it, Pasquini Libya working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.